In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a page to another workspace in Microsoft Loop. Right now, Loop doesn't offer a true move button that lifts a page out of one workspace and drops it into another. Instead, you'll use a simple workaround that either shares the same page into a second workspace or makes it feel like you moved it, with a few careful steps. Here's how to link the page into another workspace so it shows up there too. Start in the workspace where the page currently lives. In the left sidebar, locate the page you want. At the top of that page, just before the title, select the page icon or the area that shows what it's connected to. In the menu that appears, choose Add to Workspace. Then, pick the destination workspace from the list. That's it. The same page now appears in both workspaces. This is not a copy. It's the very same page visible in two places, which is great for collaboration because updates stay in sync everywhere. Keep in mind, though, this is a link, not a move. If you delete the page from its original location, the link in the other workspace will break. Think of the original as the source that the second workspace depends on. As long as the original remains intact, everyone in both workspaces sees the same, up-to-date content. If you want the page to seem like it has been moved, you can still start by adding it to the destination workspace using the exact steps I just covered. After you've added it, switch to the destination workspace and confirm that the page appears there and opens normally. Once you're confident it's showing up as expected, return to the original workspace and remove the original from that workspace. This cleans up the first workspace so the page no longer appears there, creating the effect of a move. A quick caution before you tidy up too aggressively. Sometimes the page in the new workspace may still reference the original source in subtle ways. If you later delete the original entirely, you could run into errors or broken references. Removing it from the original workspace rather than fully deleting it from Loop is the safer route if you want that moved experience without risking a break. To recap, add the page to the destination workspace to share it across workspaces and optionally remove it from the original workspace to make it feel moved. Until a true move feature arrives in Loop, this is the most reliable approach.